Hi guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. So yeah, I have been trying to do a video on this particular product for a little bit, I think since last year or 2 years ago, because I really like it so much, and I just had a little note that I would do it. I got a little bit of time. My son's grandma just took him for a little bit, so I'm like trying to rush because I have a million things to do right now. So I'm trying to rush to do this video really fast because this is a really product that I really like and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you're on any type of hair journey, or you know, taking care of your hair and stuff like that, at some point you run into this particular product. Let me turn down this light so you guys can see it a little bit. So this is the Wild Growth Hair Oil. A lot of YouTubers were talking about it. If you have looked it up at some point, like, yeah, a lot of people mentioned it, and I really like this product and I believe that it does work. I usually mix it in here with castor oil, avocado oil, and there's another oil in here that I'm forgetting, but pretty much in my sriracha bottle, because I like the nozzle here, so I've moved everything over to this one. So this has been what I've been using for the past 3 years, is this bottle here with all those different oils, and I try to scalp massage every other day, and I've definitely noticed a big difference in my hair. My hair is finally on track. I'm kind of back to where I used to be, which is really great because, you know, it's frustrating going up 2 steps and coming down 2, you know, it's like that's been my hair journey. So I feel like now I've gotten it down again. If you follow me on Instagram at Liz Men Hair, you guys already saw like pretty much what I use, like what my routine is. I've been posting a few videos talking about like my whole regimen and what products I use. So check those videos out. Yeah, so my hair is doing really well, and I'm gonna do a relaxer update. It's somewhere in November, and you guys can see my hair is so much healthier and stuff like that. And scalp massaging is definitely one of those things that's really made a difference in my hair. But not just scalp massaging with your hands, just by, you know, just alone, but actually having oils with it. So this is awesome. I got this from Amazon for about, I want to say $8 something or more. The beauty supply, I believe it's way more, and this is the 4-ounce bottle. So this is pretty much supposed to help stimulate growth. You know, scalp massaging really helps to move the blood flow, and that helps overall over time with hair growth. So this, I tried to look up reviews on it. There was one site that this lady kept repeating, like she wrote like a million comments saying that this product works, blah blah blah, and a lot of people started kind of criticizing her, like, how do we really know? Because it seems like you're just like spamming, like you're just putting all this stuff about how awesome this thing is. So it was hard to say, but I believe it works because because I mean I really noticed the difference in my hair. So this product has oils of coconut, olive oil, rice bran, pomegranate, rose hip, pumpkin seed, lentil, chickpea, cocoa mass, sesame seed, essential oils of sage, eucalyptus, frankincense, geranium, grapefruit, lavender, and peppermint. So all that sounds really natural and really good. So I believe that it works. These are all really great essential oils. They're moisturizing. They keep the scalp clean and like prevent buildup and stuff like that. So you're supposed to shake this well. I'm reading the instructions in the back. You're supposed to shake it well, apply sparingly throughout the entire hair, and observe the results daily. Yeah, so they're saying like an average of like 3 times per week you're supposed to use it. So there's a whole thing here that you're supposed to read, blah blah blah. So it's supposed to help with shedding. It's supposed to help with eyebrow growth, eyelashes, nails, and male beard. Supposed to help with filling bald areas. And it's supposed to provide thickness. It's a detangler, straightener. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff that I'm not even about to reading all of it. But overall, I noticed that when I put this product, my scalp is really well moisturized. When I mix it together with castor oil, avocado oil, and stuff in this bottle here, I just noticed like it's working because like after last time I got such a large amount of new growth, I was just amazed. So I knew definitely something was working together with the castor oil for sure. So I don't know about the thickness though. A lot of people do say like castor oil is supposed to help with thickness and stuff like that, but I really don't know if it does thickness. But I do know that it definitely helps with stimulating growth and keeping your your scalp really moisturized. So overall, it's one of those products that's a part of my staple. I'm almost running out and I can't wait to order another one, because it's just, I feel that it works. And I just noticed that my scalp was really moisturized. The new growth was so rapid the last time around that I was like, okay, yeah, this is working. So I would definitely recommend this. I don't like to promote things that don't really work for me. You know what I mean? It's not sponsored or anything. So I try things, and if I like it and I get excited about it, you guys are gonna hear about it. So this is one of those products that I definitely would recommend to add to your hair journey. I'm relaxed. So I noticed that it works well for me. So if you're natural, I'm sure it probably would do the same thing. If you have tried this product, leave a comment below. Let me know how you like it. And if you haven't, you know, I would recommend trying it and coming back and letting me know if it did notice a difference and stuff like that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. There's really not much I can say about it except that I've noticed that it does work. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.